Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Egglock Egg Drop Jeepney franchise business ideas. Egglock, the first Filipino egg drop jeepney franchise. Feeling lucky and proudly Pinoy? Their specially curated Egglock sandwiches are here to brighten up your mood with bursts of flavors in every bite. Using top local ingredients, they create familiar but fun flavors at prices you can afford every day. They elevate everyone's concept to an egg sandwich with an all-new, all-healthy, all-day breakfast snack treat on the move via Food Jeep. Egglock is thrilled to offer a unique franchise opportunity that's already making waves across the country and proud to have been named the Champion of NXTGEN in franchising. Join the Egglock family and start your franchising journey with a truly Pinoy concept that's taking the culinary world by storm. Franchise now. Why Egglock franchise? Superb quality, gourmet selections made fresh from select local ingredients, excellent taste, a burst of flavor sandwich between buttery buns drizzled with Egglock signature sauce. Reasonably priced. Yummy and healthy doesn't always have to be expensive. Uniquely Pinoy, made by a Filipino for the Filipinos. For the Egglock products. Are you ready to experience the ultimate taste sensation and show off your Pinoy pride? Look no further than Egglock. Its mouth-watering sandwiches are expertly crafted using the finest local ingredients, bringing bold and exciting flavors to every bite. You don't have to break the bank to enjoy these delicious treats. Egglock prices are affordable for everyone. Their menus are Egglock, ham and egg crabs, Egglock asado, spam and egg, ham and egg crabs, and lastly, spam and egg crabs. For the Egglock franchise packages. A moving restaurant Egglock Food Jeep. Why go Jeep? Because it's flexible operations considering the location and time. Lower overhead cost, event ready, smaller themed menu, and the next trend for food truck concept in the Philippines. Are you looking for something stationary? Try the Egglock Kiosk package. Why go kiosk? Because of retention, primed for delivery and e-commerce, consistent growing customers, and flexible menu options. For the franchising procedure, number 1, submit a letter of intent and application form. Number 2, pre-qualification interview and business meeting. Number 3, franchise application, approval, and site assessment. And lastly, number 4, payment of fees and signing of the franchise agreement. For the contact details, you may contact Egglock Egg Drop Jeepney with the address Barangay number 1, San Nicolas, Lawag, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. With the mobile number +63 947 621 6542. You can send them an email at eggluck21@gmail.com or franchise@eggluck.com. You can visit their website at eggluckph.com. You can also visit their Facebook page at www.facebook.com/eggluck. You can also contact U Franchise Sales and Management with the address Unit 2807 Jollibee Plaza, F. Ortigas Jr. Road, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, Philippines. You can call their telephone number at 632-8632-0586 or 632-8634-3717. You can also call their mobile number at 63920-983-0247 or 63917-881-6999. You can send them an email at franchising@youfranchiseasia.com. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the franchise of EggLuck Egg Drop franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.